Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be highlighting some of the amazing price predictions that I've made over the past 2 months. With that said, let's jump right into the video, starting with ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. Now, if Tesla stock can stay above 246, look for a run towards $300 per share. Now, looking at the current chart, you can see that Tesla did hold above support at 246. And like I said, if the stock could hold above 246, then look for that run to $300 per share. And we did have that nice clean run to $300 per share. Okay, so let's now go ahead and take a listen to my second Tesla price prediction. So currently, Tesla is having a hard time getting above $300 per share. Now, if this weakness in buying pressure continues, then look for Tesla stock to come back down to $255 per share. If Tesla can break resistance at $300, then I will be looking for a run towards $340. Now, looking at the current chart, you can see that Tesla got rejected 4 times at my $300 resistance level. And right after Tesla broke above that zone, you can see that it went straight to my price target at $340. Now, moving ahead, let's take a listen to my first price prediction on Boeing. The next stock is Boeing, ticker symbol BA. So a couple days ago, I said this about Boeing stock. If Boeing can get above 163, then look for a run towards 177. So after 4 rejections at 163, you can see that Boeing gapped above that resistance zone and went straight to my price target at 177. All right, let's now have a listen to my second Boeing price prediction. With that said, Boeing is currently holding above support at 177. If it can stay above this price, then look for a run towards 187. So as you guys can see, the stock gapped above resistance at 177. At this point, resistance became support. Following that is a rally straight to my price target at 187. Let's now jump ahead to my recent analysis on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. From recent lows, Apple stock is currently up over 24%. However, the stock is currently running into resistance at 211. If Apple fails to get above 211, then look for a pull down to 197. So now that we're looking at the current chart, you can see that Apple failed to get above my resistance zone at 211 and did end up falling to my price target at 197. Now let's take a listen to my first Bitcoin price prediction. Guys, Bitcoin is currently on the move. If we do get a break above 88,000, look for a run towards 92,000. Overall, my price target is at 97,000. As always, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Okay, so now looking at the current chart, you can see that once Bitcoin cleared 88,000, it pretty much went straight to my price target at 97,000. With that said, let's take a listen to my second Bitcoin price prediction. Alright guys, this is a quick update on Bitcoin. So currently Bitcoin is running into resistance at 97,000. Also, if you look, you can see that we're forming a double top pattern. Now, if Bitcoin fails to stay above 97,000, look for a pullback to 92,000. If it breaks that level, then look for a further pull down to 88,000. Now, if Bitcoin can get back and stay above 97,000, I want you guys to look for a run to 100,000. Overall, if Bitcoin remains bullish, my price target is at 110. Again, this was another technical analysis with 100% accuracy. Now listen to my analysis on Palantir stock back on May 5th. Current support for the stock is going to be at 108. If that level fails to hold as support, then I'll be looking for Palantir to come back down to $95 per share. Now, if the stock can stay above 108, then look for a retest of 122. So after that earnings drop, Palantir did end up holding support at 108. And like I stated, as long as the stock can stay above 108, then look for that retest of 122. Looking at the current chart, you guys can see that's exactly what happened. Now let's take a listen to my analysis on ticker symbol AVGO, Broadcom. Okay guys, welcome back to another technical analysis video. So going into this week, these are some great stocks to keep on your watch list. Let's start with the first stock, ticker symbol AVGO, Broadcom. Now looking at the chart, the stock is currently inside of a bullish falling wedge. If we do get a breakout and a nice push towards the upside, my target is at $228 per share. Now, as you guys can see, this was another technical analysis that was 100% accurate. When I made this video, Broadcom was trading at 165. So from 165 to my target at 228. That was a move of almost 40%. So the reason for me being so accurate with my predictions is because I've been studying these charts for over 5 years now. With that said, if you like this video, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.